let's continue discussing teaching how to read faster. And in this regard, it's important to look at the nature and limitations of speed reading. Because until we are clear about the nature and limits of reading speed, we cannot make better decisions about how to teach reading faster to our students. So in this regard, it's important to understand that reading is to understand the physical nature of reading and its relationship to reading speed, because both are interrelated. Reading speed has its direct relationship with physical nature of reading. By physical nature of reading means that when the readers are involved in reading, their eyes are skimming and scanning the text. They are regressing, they are jumping to the next item, they are looking at the previous item in order to make sense of the whole text. So these are three types of actions involved while reading, which is students, their eyes are fixed on specific words, or they jump to the next item, and or they continue to look back. So these three actions actually can affect speed reading. And in order to teach our students proficient readers, it's important to draw their attention to the physical nature of reading and its relationship to speed. So there are some symptoms, slow reading symptoms, which the teachers should be aware of. Nation, in his book ESL, Teaching Reading and Writing, mentions that the teacher in a fast reading class should fix on units smaller than a word. And teacher should see the students who are spending a lot of time on fixations. For example, if some of the students are taking too much time, dwelling too much on specific words in order to understand their meaning or the spelling, the teacher should note. This should be done in the form of some activities, or teachers should be aware of if some students are making many regressions. So reading speed actually can be affected by several elements. So these elements include what's the purpose of reading. And this should, teachers should tell the students clearly that the main purpose of the reading in a reading fast speed is to develop reading skills, or to tell them if they come across text which is difficult, which is beyond their comprehension level, how they can manage to comprehend that text, or how they can if they come across some unseen vocabulary, how they can make sense of that by looking at the context, or some grammatical constructions which are difficult, which require some background knowledge of that particular text. So all these things actually can affect speed reading. And as being EFL teachers, we need to be aware of these several factors which can affect our students' speed reading. And so the main purpose of understanding the nature and limits of speed reading is to make our students aware that speed reading has its purpose to develop skills of skimming and scanning, skills of comprehending some words which lie in their specific context. So the teacher should be aware of these factors, and secondly, the students should also be aware of these factors that reading is, it has its physical nature, and which has its direct relationship to our speed reading.